Hi friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Automove India. I am Rishon. Today I am going to introduce to you a very special brand that is a German brand that is none other than Volkswagen. So friends, the vehicle which I am going to review today is none other than the Volkswagen Polo GT. This is the petrol version which I am going to review today, which is the Polo GT TSI. Let me show you the three-dimensional view of this car. Let me show you the key of the vehicle. It gets a flip key on offer. Let me show you. It gets a flip key on offer, and at the top is a button for locking the vehicle, and below in the center there is the button for opening the boot, and at the bottom is the button for unlocking the vehicle. Let me open the engine bay of the vehicle right away. And there's insulation given over here, and it's also written TSI over here in the engine. That is to show that this is a petrol engine. If it is a diesel engine, it will be written that TDI. This is the difference between TSI and TDI. TSI means petrol engine and TDI means a diesel engine. Next, let's talk about the engine outputs. The engine type is a TSI petrol engine and the engine displacement is 1197 cc. Let's talk about the power outputs. The max power output is 103.25 bhp at 5000 rpm. The max torque output is 175 Nm at 1500 to 4100 rpm. Next, let's talk about the design of the vehicle. These are the headlamps of the vehicle. It does not get projector setup on offer, but these are normal halogen lights. It gets smoked feature on offer, as you can see. And at the front it gets GT badging over here with a chrome line, Volkswagen logo over here below. This is the towing hook of the vehicle. These are the fog lamps of the vehicle. Here it gets front diffuser over here, as you can see. And that is all for the front design. Next, let's move on to the side of the vehicle. And as we move on to the side of the vehicle, let's check the tire size of the vehicle. The tire size is 195/55 R16s. It gets alloys over here, which is in grey color. Lot of brake dust over here. Sorry for that. It gets disc brake in the front and drum brake at the back. Volkswagen logo over here. It's Apollo rubber, as you can see. These are the over rims of the vehicle. It gets piano black finishing on offer on the over rims, and it gets an indicator also on the over rims, as you can see. And it can be adjustable internally, and it's electrically adjustable also. And this glass over here, that is the window, is tilted a bit, and it does not get passive entry on offer but gets keyless entry. Does not get push button start on offer also. Below, as you can see, it gets side skirts on offer. As we move on to the side, here you can see GT TSI stickering over here. Next, let's move on to the back of the vehicle. This is the back view of the vehicle. First, let's start with the tail lamps of the vehicle. It gets a more sportier tail lamp than the regular Polo. GT badging over here, Volkswagen logo given over here, and TSI badging given over here. Here you get parking sensors over here. Sadly, it does not get rear parking camera on offer, which should be offered in this price. And here there's a fake diffuser on offer given, which is aftermarket product. And here are the reflectors of the vehicle. Above, when we come above, here it gets a rear defogger along with a rear wiper. This is a spoiler which is given in piano black finishing. Next, let's open the boot of the vehicle and check the boot carrying capacity. Let's open the boot of the vehicle. The boot also can be opened from here and also can be opened from the remote. That is the key of the vehicle. Let's open the boot of the vehicle. It gets a partial tray on offer, and it's a decent boot carrying capacity on offer, as you can see. It does not get a light in the boot. Let's Next, let's check the spare wheel of the vehicle. The spare wheel is a smaller size, that it is not an alloy, it's a 175/70 R14, that is smaller than the alloys which the vehicle is running. Next, let's close the boot and head to the interior of the vehicle. Let's get inside right now. Let's check the space at the rear. Legroom is sufficient enough, under thigh support is also very good, headroom is also very good. Scooped out seat backs but no magazine holders on offer. Next, let me show you the dashboard of the vehicle. Before that, it gets all 4 adjustable headrests at the back and at the front. It does not get an armrest on offer. Let me show you the dashboard of the vehicle. Next, let's move on to the front of the vehicle right away.
So sorry friends, before I show you the dashboard and other features of the vehicle, let me show you what are there in the driver door of the vehicle. The outside rear view mirror is electrically adjustable, as I told you. These are the outside rear view mirror controls over here. This is the button for locking the vehicle and unlocking the vehicle, and this is the door handle of the vehicle. It gets a kind of silver finishing, and these are the power window switches of the vehicle. And here is the speaker. Here you get a bottle holder over here, which you can keep a 1 liter bottle easily. Below, as you can see, there is a scuff plate which with GT TSI written on this.
This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. Let me show you after turning on the ignition. It does a full swipe in the odometer as well as the speedometer. In the center, that is in the middle, it's a multi-information display, as you can see, showing the time, gear in which we are right now, and trip to distance to empty meters, trip, and this is the fuel meter, as you can see. In the right most you have the speedometer, and in the left you have the tachometer. Below you have the multi-information display set controls over here. Next, let me show you the steering of the vehicle. This is the 3-spoke steering wheel of the vehicle. It gets flat bottom on offer, and it also gets piano black finishing in the steering. This is for the volume controls, and it also gets an airbag on the steering. This is for the voice command, and these are for the calls. At the left, the knob here is for the cruise control, headlight and the indicators, and in the right the knob is for the wipers. And the steering is also adjustable for tilt as well as reach, as you can see. This is the center console of the vehicle. These are the AC vents over here. This is to turn off the traction control. This is for turning off the AC for windscreen, and this is the hazard light switch. This is the touchscreen of the vehicle, and as you can see, this is for the volume and to turn off the screen. And below are the AC controls of the vehicle. Before that, I want to say that here it gets an USB port, aux port, as well as to insert an SD card. And as we come to the AC controls, here is to increase or decrease the fan speed, and this is the temperature. It gets a small screen that shows the AC controls. It gets automatic climate control also on offer. Below, this is the 6-speed automatic transmission of the vehicle. Here it gets 2 cup holders. It gets a cigarette lighter also over there, and deep inside it gets space also, storage space. And as we come behind, there is also some space to keep coins, and here also there are some space here. Let's check the glove box of the vehicle. It's a decent size glove box. It is a cooled glove box. Let's close it for a moment, and it gets an airbag over here. These are the AC vents of the vehicle. It gets piano black finishing around the AC vents. Also get some silverish finish around the AC vents. There's so much of hard plastics in the dashboard as well as the door pads over here, as you can see. Too much of hard plastics. Let me play an audio right away. The audio quality is brilliant. Let's check the driver sun visor of the vehicle. It gets a toll receipt holder but does not get a light nor a mirror, and here you get a light on offer, as you can see. And this is the auto dimming inside rear view mirror of the vehicle. Let's check the co-driver sun visor of the vehicle. It gets a mirror but no light on offer. These are the pedals of the vehicle. It does not get a clutch as it is an automatic, and at the leftmost is the dead pedal of the vehicle. So friends, as you all know, I am under 18 years of age. According to the government's law, I can't drive the vehicle. So let me try starting the vehicle. And it rose to life. There's no much engine noise inside the vehicle as it is a petrol engine. Also the cabin noise is well insulated. Let me try moving the vehicle with the help of any of my seniors. So friends, the vehicle has roared to life, and next let's try moving the vehicle as I told you. So today my dad will be driving the vehicle for me, and let's try out the famous technique that my favorite vlogger does, that is left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator, revving the motor, and here we go. That is a dialogue said by my favorite vlogger, that is Mr. Faisal Khan. So let's try it out. So today you tried that technique for me. So let us rev the nuts out of this motor right now. Let's put the transmission into sport mode and let's move the vehicle. And it moves finally. Oh, and it flies like mad. So let us move it again. Oh, and it moves finally. And it's an absolute beast. So now we have come to an halt. So thank you for driving the vehicle for me. And that is all for the driving part.
So friends, it's time to end this vlog now, but before going, I want to tell that this flies like an absolute beast as my dad drove it for me, and it's absolute pleasure sitting in this vehicle. So it is a more powerful and sportier version than the Polo. So now it's time to end this vlog. If you like my video, please click the thumbs up button, that is the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.